Maybe the reason you still have a job is because your money is unemployed. My family, for generations, got trapped in a vicious cycle of working 9-to-5 jobs, giving up time with the kids, missing important events, being overworked and overstressed, and all the while thinking, this is part of life, and we have no way out. Until one day, a wealthy Christian showed me that the primary purpose of money is to give it a job. He taught me that by using a disciplined system of investing, I could get an edge in the U.S. stock market that would give me the potential to change my life. Now, I'm able to put my money to work, and because it never needs a break, it never gets sick, it never sleeps, it never gets tired, it never gets unmotivated, it can work harder, faster, and longer than I ever could. I can enjoy a life of leverage, like I'm the boss. My money is my employee. And the harder my money works for me, the less I have to do. If you'd like to take your money out of the unemployment line and learn the system that I use to put my money to work, then attend the upcoming 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, where you will learn 4 things you need to do to become a successful stock trader. Learn the one change you can make right now that has outperformed most financial advisors. And learn about a free tool that you can use to reduce risk while you trade stocks. And I'll tell you what that wealthy Christian told me. This is not another job to hold. It's not another business to start. It doesn't have to take up all of your time. It's what your money will do while you do the things that God called you to do. So if you feel like you're working too hard, maybe it's time to give your money a job. Come learn how in the upcoming 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, hosted by me, Dave Huber, and my good friend and veteran stock trader, Blair Nightingale. The challenge is only $97, and we're offering a better than 10x money-back guarantee, and we'll send you all the details. But virtual spots are limited, so you better act fast. Come learn how to put your money to work, because this has the potential to change your life forever.